I don't think I could eat another bite. There's a slice left. I'll have it. But I wanted it! I have an idea. Oops! My finger slipped! Ugh! That's gross! Well, you may as well have it. Grow up! You started it! Girls! I won't have that sort of behavior in this house. Enough! Should I ground you? Or… I've got the ideal punishment. Where are we? Is Mom a witch? Never mind that. Cake! You can spin the wheel first. Fine by me. Pickles? Okay, I'll try anything once. Yuck! I'll give it a taste. Crunchy! Onto the cake you go. That looks pretty. I'll put another here. We seriously need to talk about your baking skills. It needs some work. My turn. Candy eyeballs! Result! Let me see. Get it? Eyeball, see? I'm so funny. I'll just try this first. Help! Help! Oh no! What do I do? Should I call an ambulance? Mom? Choking! I know. This might hurt. Wow! Perfect shot! Did you lose something? My pickle cake is ruined! I'll take that. This is looking beautiful already. So classy. You're so strange. Finished! My spin! So exciting! Cotton candy! Yes! That's not so bad. It's great! This is gonna look amazing. The flavor combinations. Wow. I love cotton candy. Save me some. My turn. Give me something sweet, please. Chili peppers? Oh no. Maybe it won't be that bad. I mean, it doesn't look that spicy. But a challenge is a challenge. At least the colors look pretty. Ha! Be cool. Just eat the cotton candy. I don't know about this. I mean, one more won't hurt, right? There. Oh no. This isn't good. Maybe if I blow on it. Stand back. Help is here. Phew. Those chilies really pack a punch. Thank you. I thought it would be ruined. Well, ruined more. Close one. Why don't you go first this time? No. I'm scared. You go. Fine. It's just the wheel. Please don't be horrible. Squid? Okay. Are you seeing this? Did someone order something tasty? Enjoy. They're so slimy. This is disgusting. Maybe I can pretend they're candy. Nope. Not a chance. I'll put them on the top. Maybe the pickles will hide the taste. This is the worst. Okay. What treats do I have? Oh yes! Marshmallows! Whoop! Whoop! So many! Better test them first. This is such a fun game. These can go around the bottom. They look so cute. La la la, nothing to see here. You can have one, as long as you keep your squid. My turn, pretty please. Go for it. Thank you. Fish? Okay, I'm ready. Gloves? Check. Mask? Check. Time to dive in. I suppose fish are good for you. But not on cake. This is gonna taste horrible. Phew. I can smell that from here. And it's awful. Fishy number 2. I'll spin while I wait. Oh, S. Whatever that is. Now we're talking! Let's try this bad boy out! No way! This is awesome! Watch me pointing that thing! Hey, quit it! That was nearly my eye! Maybe I'm not the best shot. You think? It kinda worked. I like it. Artistic. Well, apart from the squid. So annoying. Wait. Free candy. Maybe you're an okay shot. I think I need target practice. If there's more free candy, you can use me. My turn! Let go! It's mine! Quit it! You'll break it! I cream! Now we're talking! Love it! Yes! Oh, come on! That should be mine! We could share it. Get your own. I need to get that ice cream. Think! Oh hey, don't mind me. Nice try. Quiet. Be like a ninja. Really? She must love ice cream. You're just being greedy. I'm taking this. Hey, that was mine! Spin the wheel! Fine, I will. Oh, hot sauce. Great. I mean, I don't have to use the whole bottle. Just a little dribble, that's all. Too much! Too much! Do you think it'll make a difference to the taste? Good luck with that! I'll put this right in the center. There. It's so pretty. If you took out the fish and chilies. Final round. Here goes. Let's decide. I got it. Onion? Who chooses these ingredients? Ooh, unlucky. Thanks, I guess. Better get chopping. Oh, great. Now I'm crying. Luckily, I came prepared. Much better. Yes! Jelly beans! I'll just put you on a fluffy cotton candy cloud. Done! How do I look? Suppose I better put these on my cake. Jelly bean? You're so sweet. Well, I guess these are finished. They look, disgusting. It might be nice. Maybe I'll be surprised. Here goes! Oh! It's worse than I imagined! Mine is pretty good. I like it. At least that's finally over. Why is there a timer? Seriously? A math test? Okay. If 3 cakes are 30, and a donut is… Why am I getting hungry? 1 cake multiplied by 2 donuts? I don't have enough fingers! This little piggy? No concentrate. Nearly had it! What did you get? I don't know. Can you help? Is there anything better than cake? How would you decorate yours? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tasty challenges like this one. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.